Yeah, we regularly get involved. Council will review some plans. There won't necessarily be a clear understanding of whether or not the appropriate car can turn into and out of car spaces or garages or ramps. So they'll issue an RFI requesting some further information provided, and that usually means swept paths by a suitably qualified traffic engineer. That's when we get involved. We'll look at the plans, determine the appropriate design vehicle based on the type of swept path required. Then we, using our simulation software, show a car turning in, being able to manoeuvre within the site in order to exit the site in a forwards direction. When this is an at-grade development, like a townhouse type development where there's a shared access way, that might result in some reduction in landscaping or even increase in landscaping areas if we think there's too much hard stand or an over allowance of area provided. So we can potentially make it more efficient in terms of if we think there's a more garden area that can be provided, that can be of benefit to architects and planners.